chicken nuggets with these 4 simple ingredients. We've got chicken breast, we've got breadcrumbs, we've got Hidden Valley Ranch dressing mix, and we've got mayonnaise. And that's all you need to make these chicken nuggets. So the first thing you're going to do is take a cup of mayonnaise, put that in your dish after you get it measured out, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Put that in, and then you're going to mix up your ranch dressing with that. These are really tasty. If you want to use chicken thighs, you can use chicken thighs. I just happen to have chicken breast right now, so I'm going to put a packet of the ranch dressing mix in. I'm going to stir that up really good. And then after I get that stirred all up and mixed in, I'm going to take and cut my chicken up into chunks for my nuggets. Just like this. Put that in your salad, your mayonnaise with your ranch dressing. You can stir that all around. Coat it up really good. And then when you get that done, you're going to put those into the breadcrumbs. I'm going to use my tongs for this. Put those into the breadcrumbs, just like that. Coat them really good with the chicken nuggets. Put them on your baking tray. And I've got a cookie sheet with aluminum foil on it, just for an easier cleanup. And then I've got a baking rack that I put them on. They stay a little crispier. And you just put them on, coat them with the breadcrumbs and put them on like that. And these are the quickest, easiest chicken nuggets you can make. And they're so much better than the store-bought ones because you made them yourself. And they taste yummy, yummy. And once you get them on your tray, you can stick them in the oven at 375 degrees. And you're going to bake them until they're done. So we'll stick them in the oven. Probably about 25 minutes, and they should be done. So I hope you guys enjoy your chicken nuggets that you make at home. Have a great day. Bye.